This is part 5 of the video series on problems related to algebraic expressions, and here you have to use identities. Now we have discussed identities in our previous video tutorial. The video link of the tutorial is given in the description box below. Please watch that tutorial so that you can understand this one. Now here you have to find the following squares by using the identities. This is b minus 7 whole squared. Now, this is similar to the standard identity number 2 that says a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now, if you look at this number, this is a and this is b, right? It's of that form. So, a minus b means at the place of a you will put b, and at the place of b you will put 7. So this becomes a squared means b squared minus 2 multiplied by a means b here, multiplied by b means 7 here, then plus b squared means 7 squared, and so you get b squared minus 2. Now 2 multiplied by 7 is 14, so 14b plus 49. So this is your answer. In this next one you have xy plus 3z whole squared. Okay, so xy plus 3z whole squared should remind you of the standard identity 1 that says if a plus b whole squared, if you have a plus b whole squared, then this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. It's of that form. So if you look at this expression, then this becomes a and this becomes b. So a squared means xy whole squared plus 2a means xy multiplied by b means 3z plus b squared means 3z whole squared. Now this is xy whole squared. This should remind you of this exponential form, that is if ab is whole to the power n, then this is actually equal to a raised to the power of n multiplied by b raised to the power of n. This is the law of exponent that we have discussed. So from here this becomes x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by y raised to the power of 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Then you have x, y and z. So x multiplied by y multiplied by z plus 3z square means what? This is 3z multiplied by 3z, right? So x squared y squared plus 6xyz plus 3 times 3 is 9, z times z is z squared. So this is your answer. Now here this is 6x squared minus 5y whole squared. 6x squared minus 5y whole squared. Now this should remind you of the standard identity number 2, that is a minus b whole squared, right? And a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So here if you look at this one, this becomes a and this will come at the place of b. So this is a squared means 6x squared whole squared, right? Plus minus 2 multiplied by a means 6x squared multiplied by b means 5y, then plus b squared means 5y whole squared. Now this is 6x squared whole squared. It means that 6x squared minus multiplied by 6x squared, right? And minus 2 multiplied by 6 is 12 multiplied 5 is 60, and x squared y. Here you have 5y whole squared. It means it's of the form this is of the form a b raised to the power of n is equal to a power n and multiplied by b power n raised to the power of n. So this is 5 squared multiplied by y squared. Same thing we can do here also. It's also the same form. So this can be written as 6 squared multiplied by x squared whole squared, right? Now 6 squared means 36 and multiplied by x squared whole squared. It is of the form, if you have a raised to power of n and this whole is raised to power of n, then this is actually equal to a n multiplied by n. So from this you should remember this formula. So from here you get x 2 multiplied by 2 minus 60 x squared y plus 5 squared y squared. So this gives you 36 x raised to power of 4 minus 60 x squared y plus 5 square means 25 y squared. So this is your answer. Here you have 2 by 3 n plus 3 by 2 n whole squared. This is standard identity 1 that says a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if you put here, if you look at this expression, then this becomes a, this becomes b, then it is a squared means 2 by 3 m whole squared plus 2 multiplied by a means 2 by 3 m multiplied by b means 3 by 2 n and plus 3 by 2 n whole squared. Now this is 2 by 3 m whole squared. It's of the form a b raised total raised power of n, it is equal to a power of n multiplied by b raised power of n. So from this becomes 2 by 3 whole squared and this becomes m squared plus 2, and now here this is 2 multiplied by 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 2 and this is m n, then plus same formula here, this becomes 3 by 2 whole squared and this is n squared. From here you get 4 by 9 m squared plus this gives you here, and now you have 6 by 3, sorry, again this can also be get cancelled and now you have only 2 m n plus 9 by 4 n squared. Okay, now this is 0.4 p minus 0.5 q whole squared, and here this should remind you of the formula, the standard identity number 2 that says a minus b whole squared, that is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So here you, if you look at this one, this is a and this is b. Now a squared means 0.4p whole squared minus 2, a means 0.4p and b means 0.5q plus b squared means 0.5q whole squared. Now this is of the form a multiplied by b raised to power of n, this is equal to a raised to power of n multiplied by b raised to power of n. Now if you put here, this becomes 0.4 whole squared and p squared minus, now this is 2 multiplied by 0.4 multiplied by 0.5 pq, and this is same this formula, this becomes 0.5 whole squared and q squared. From here if you solve it, this becomes 0.16 and this is p squared, this is minus. Now this becomes 0.2 multiplied by 0.4 is 0.8 and 0.8 multiplied by 0.5 is 4. So this is 4 pq and this is 0.5 whole squared is 0.25 q squared. Okay, here you have 2xy plus 5y whole squared. This is of the form a plus b whole squared. This is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if you look at this expression, this is a and this is b. So a squared means what? 2xy whole squared, then plus 2ab means 2 multiplied by 2xy multiplied by b means 5y plus b squared means 5y whole squared. Now this is of the form a multiplied by b multiplied by c raised to the power of n. This is equal to a raised to the power of n, b raised to the power of n, c raised to the power of n, right? So from here 2 whole squared x squared y squared plus 2 times 2 is 4 times 5 is 20, then x, then y multiplied by y is y squared plus this is again 5 squared y squared. From here you get 4x squared y squared plus 20xy whole squared. This is 25y squared. So this is your answer for this one.